Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the first question here. What is the first question? If f of x equal to x for x is less than or equal to 0 and equal to 0 for x is greater than or equal to 0, then find the value of f dash of f of x at x equal to 0. Okay, so guys, what is the key concept here? Key concept to solve this question is, what is the key concept? Yes guys, anybody can tell me? Differentiability of function. Differentiability of function. Differentiability of function means what we have to check here? We have to check the given function is differentiable or continuous. We have to check that. Okay, so write down the given function as it is, that is f of x equal to x for x is less than or equal to 0 or equal to 0 for x is greater than or strictly greater than 0. Okay, so how we solve this question? So guys, given we have to check the continuity at x equal to 0. We know guys, the given function is continuous means the right hand and left hand limit should be equal, right? So take limit of x tends to 0 minus f of x equal to limit of x tends to 0 equal to x, where is the answer is 0. So also check the right hand limit, that is limit of f of x where x tends to 0 plus equal to limit of x where x tends to 0 plus means what? 0. So you will get the same answer, that is 0. That means guys, given function f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. So now check the differentiability part. Okay, now check for the differentiability part. So for the differentiability, what we do here guys, just differentiate f dash of x equal to, f dash of x means derivative of x equal to 1 if x is less than or equal to 0 and 0 for x is greater than or equal to 0. So hence guys, given function f of x is not differentiable. Remember that. So what is our conclusion guys? Why it is not differentiable? Because at x equal to 0, it has a very sharp edge. It has very sharp edge of the sharp edge. Okay, that means our final conclusion is given function f of x is continuous but not differentiable. So which option is correct one guys? Let's tell me. So given function is continuous but not differentiable. So let's check which option is correct one. So guys, option number A will be the correct option because option is given is continuous but not differentiable. That means option number A will be the correct option guys. So I hope guys everybody has understood this question. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.